Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. It's been a very difficult trading session yet again. There are yo-yo conditions here in the Nasdaq 100 in pretty much most of the indices apart from Dow Jones 30. Very choppy trading, guys, so be very careful. Right now, from a technical perspective, the markets just do not make sense. It is as simple as that. You know, last week we had a fantastic looking hammer candlestick which should have sent us higher, but it didn't. We had a second good looking hammer candlestick which should have sent us higher, but we didn't. We actually declined down towards the 1750. Then on Monday we had that fantastic day when we were trading up roughly 3%. We got the daily close above the 50-day EMA, and 2 days later we're now trading back down towards the swing lows at roughly 12,800. So from a technical perspective, markets are very difficult right now. I know many traders who have lost a significant amount of money over the past couple of weeks, and when I say traders, I mean investors who've been trading for over 10 or 20 years. They trade with multi millions of dollars, and they've been really struggling. So please be careful, guys. Please trade with very small amounts, if at all. Okay, I think right now, after today's trading session, I think it's telling me that maybe I should just step away from my trading screens with regards to the indices for the next week or so. Okay, I think I need to wait for the indices to kind of find their common ground, to see where they settle, because it looks to me that we may go lower here. There's always that possibility. Okay, 1750 was a swing lows which we hit last week. If we get a daily close below 1750, so roughly around this area here, that says to me that we could go looking towards 12,500 all the way down to 11,700, where the 200-day EMA is. Although I don't think that this will happen, you've got to see it as a possibility. So we get that daily close below if we get the daily close underneath 12,750, I look for the market to go lower. That being said, even if we were to get a daily close below 12,750, I would not short the indices. One of my trading rules is I do not sell the indices. Nasdaq, Dow, S&P 500, I just don't short them. Okay, as Warren Buffett said this weekend in his annual letter, never bet against America, and that's exactly what I don't do. Okay, I just simply look to buy the dip. So it may be in a week or two I come back to my trading screen and look at the Nasdaq 100, and it's down at the 200-day EMA at roughly 11,600. Well, that would be fantastic, because then I would then put a lot of money to work. But for the time being, I'm just going to stop day trading the Nasdaq 100 for the next week or so, because it's just it's just silly. It just does not make sense. You've got the 10-year yields. The 10-year yields bouncing up and down like a yo-yo, and along with it is the Nasdaq 100. So be very careful, guys, especially if you're new to trading. If we get our daily close above the 50-day EMA, then you might want to buy the Nasdaq 100 and aim back towards the 13,900 level, and put your stop loss below the 12,750. That would give you a reasonable risk-reward ratio. But apart from that, guys, be very careful, as I just mentioned. RSI is down at 40, so we are fast approaching the oversold territory down at 30. I think that we're going to have a very choppy couple of sessions ahead of us, especially on Friday, guys. It's Wednesday today, tomorrow, and then after tomorrow we have the non-farm payroll numbers on Friday, and if they come in a lot better than anticipated, then we could see further declines here in the US stock market. So please be careful, guys. It's going to be very volatile over the next coming trading sessions or weeks.